I think Arketa gives us a competitive edge because we have so many resources at our disposal. My name is Natalie. I am the founder here at PlankHaus. We do Lagree method classes and bi-monthly mindfulness workshops here in Ocean Park, Santa Monica. My goal for PlankHaus is basically to create an environment where people can come and just escape the demands of daily life for 50 minutes. So I've been a lifelong Lagree lover. As I was going through certification, I realized the emphasis that the Lagree fitness world puts on mental fitness, which was already really synergistic with what I was doing as a life coach. I realized I could kind of create my own space where I could marry all of my passions together. Because I wanted it to be a place where people would calm down instead of, dysregulating their nervous system or spiking their cortisol. So I looked into color therapy, what colors calmed people down, what emotions those colors invoked, and so that's how I chose the color palette for the space. So I started the onboarding process with Mind Body because it was what I knew, it was what the studio that I went to used, so I figured if they're so successful, obviously their booking software is probably great. The second I got into the onboarding process, I realized that things were kind of not going the way I expected. There were promises that were made that weren't fulfilled, and whenever I had a problem, I would send an email, emails would go unanswered. I chose Arketa because of the people. The people that I met with Arketa had such a great knowledge about the industry that I'm in and what I needed in LA. That's why I went with them. Most everybody that I've talked to there is either actively in the fitness industry or they've been in the fitness industry. So everybody's knowledge of what we need is from a personal perspective. I think one of the biggest tools that Arketa has that we like is the intro offers, because we integrated with ClassPass and we've been able to use that to feed people into the Arketa system and then target them through the marketing email under ClassPass and then hit them with our intro offers. You can create all these funnels that you can put people in and then target them with certain marketing campaigns, so you're not just sending out blanket emails to everybody all the time. You're really putting in thought to who you send and what you send. The fact that you have a chat support available, because if I have a question, I get it answered within minutes, which prevents whatever problem I'm having from snowballing into a bigger issue. Our staff loves Arketa because of your sub request feature. So a lot of other studios that people have been at, getting a sub has been the most treacherous process because you have to go through the grapevine and there's all these people that have to approve it. And with Arketa, you can just go in, submit a sub request, somebody else can pick it up, and it's as simple as that. People love the Arketa app because they're able to download it, not only book their classes, but then also track their progress. So they like to see who their favorite instructor is, how many classes they've taken, what their streak has been, and the fact that they can walk up and check in through the app as they're coming into class. People love that. And I think the thing that sets Arketa apart from everybody else that I've met with is going to be the people that they encounter along the journey, from the person that sells them the platform to the person that they onboard with and then to the customer service team. They're all consistent across the board, and I think that's why Arketa is different from everybody else. If I could talk to any studio owners, what I would tell them is to do your research. Don't make a rash decision based on what somebody else is doing. Really investigate it yourself and see what feels right.